friends, welcome to KapMan Academy's Gate Food Technology Previous Year Question Solutions. And our today's question is, red dog is one of the byproducts during milling of which one of the grain, right? So your first option is corn, second option is rice, third option is ragi, and your fourth option is wheat. So you have to identify that red dog, which is a byproduct during the processing of these grains, which one produces it, right? So first of all, you should know red dog is a byproduct of a milling process, right? And during that milling process, it includes or it produces flour. Some portion is flour, some portion is bran, and some portion includes the germ, right? And some portion includes the husk, outer covering of your seed, and some portion includes the tailing of the seeds, right? So all this mixture is called red dog. Fine. So during the processing of corn, usually corn produces the byproduct like gluten feed and gluten meal. So it does not involve in the red dog formation. So that is why corn is not the correct answer here. And during the processing or milling of the rice produces the husk, bran, and also some part of the broken rice and some part of the bran layer. But this one also does not involve in the red dog as a byproduct formation. So rice also is not a correct option here. Your next option is ragi. Ragi actually also called a finger millet, and it is rich in nutrients and processed for making like dosa, rotis, or porridge, right? So here the ragi also does not involve in the production of red dog. So this is also not your correct answer. Now your last option is wheat. So during the processing of wheat produces some part of the husk, bran, germ, some part of the tailing, and also some part of the seed covering, right? So here in the wheat processing, it produces actually the red dog as the byproduct. So here your correct answer is D, which is wheat, right? So that is all for the today. Thank you.